In this video, I will show you the exact steps required to manage and update role access permission values for secondary seats within your Typeform account. Managing a growing team often requires adjusting permissions as responsibilities change, and Typeform makes this process quite straightforward once you know where to look. To get started, you will need to be logged into your main workspace dashboard. From there, your first step is to navigate to the upper left-hand corner of the screen, where you will see your organization menu or account alias. Simply click on this section to reveal a variety of administrative options. From the resulting drop-down menu, you should look for and click on the option labeled Org Members. This will open up a complete list of everyone currently associated with your organization. Once you are on this page, your next task is to scroll through the list to find the specific team member whose permissions you wish to modify. You can easily identify them by locating their specific email address in the list. Once you have found the correct person, look immediately to the right of their name and current status. You will see a small drop-down arrow next to their currently assigned role. Click on this arrow to view the different access levels available for that seat. From here, all you need to do is select the new baseline role that best fits their current needs. Whether you are upgrading someone to have more administrative power or shifting them to a more restricted role, the change will take effect as soon as you make your selection. This simple process allows you to maintain tight control over who can edit or view your forms, ensuring your account remains organized and secure as your team continues to evolve and expand over time. It is a vital skill for any account owner to master for efficient workflow management within the platform today.